Hey loves, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna try and do videos every Sunday and Monday, or at least one of those days a week. So today's video we're gonna be doing, since fall's coming up, my favorite season. We're gonna do a fall makeup look. I was thinking of doing like a brown smoky eye look. So let me show you how to do a brown smoky eye / fall makeup tutorial, because it's about to be that season. That's why I was like, let me put me on a little nude and gold. I'm feeling cozy and ready for fall. Like, I love fall. Like, I don't like the colds, but I love like the boots, the trench coats, the sweaters. Like, I love me a good heel boo, okay? I love me a good over the knee. I love me a good fur boo. I love me a good bling bling boo. That's why I need to start doing try on hauls, because like I order so much stuff, but like I don't know how to do this try on haul. But yeah, so anyways, let's get into this video. So first things first, before you do an eyeshadow look, prime your lids. So I like to use, they have eyeshadow primers, but I like to use a concealer to prime my lid. So to prime my lids, I'm gonna be using the Hourglass concealer, my favorite, like favorite concealer, like even above my e.l.f. concealer. And literally, when I used to, because I told you guys, when I used to work at Ulta as a luxury brand advisor, that was one of the brands that I had to like, you know, sell. And when I tell y'all, every time I tried that concealer, like it goes with all skin types. The skin tone is a little iffy, but that's the world of makeup. The skin tones, the undertones, it's scarce out here. But anyways, other than that, like the concealer, that and the Natasha Denona, that Dior concealer is nice too. But anyways, the Hourglass, if you don't have the Hourglass in your collection, because like you gotta have different brand concealers. You can't just have one brand concealer. You have to have different brands. There's way too many fish. So we are gonna prime your lids. The shade that I use in the Hourglass is the Flax. Literally, this concealer will last you. It's pricey. I don't know how much it is now because I think it went up. So, but the thing I could say is worth it, because you just need a small amount, because it's super full coverage. So you don't even need a lot. So you just need a small amount. So let me zoom closer to my eyes so we can get up close and personal. So I'm gonna be using the Patmcgrath palette, which I completely love. And by the way, y'all, if you don't know, now you know, I love Patmcgrath. Like, I can't wait to be in the same room with her, to work with her. I just feel like she's so inspiring, and to see women do the things that she's doing with the same skin tone as me is even more motivational and inspiring. But I love her palette that I'm using. This is the name below, and this is the colors. So I'm gonna be going in with this one first right here. So when you do your brown smoky eye, basically you just need two colors. You need a light brown and a dark brown that you want to use for your lids. And I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with this. So I'm using this fluffy brush right here. This is actually from Shein. It's supposed to be a Real Techniques dupe, and I love it. And you're doing it gently. So this is your transition shade. So every eyeshadow you do, you wanna use a transitioning color. So I'm gonna be going in with this dark brown shade for the lid to give that like fall look. And I'm using another Real Techniques dupe. And I'm just gonna blend that out on the lids. And don't worry, it looks a little harsh, but we're gonna go back in with that transition shade to blend it out, because blending is key. I'm gonna literally say that every video. So we're gonna go back with this brush and go in our transition shade and just blend out the edges. Every video I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna lecture y'all about blending is key, because it is. Is gonna be the most simple smoky eye that you can do. Quick and easy, just 2 shades, because I didn't want to make it too complicated than what it is. So 2 shades, your transition shade and your dark brown shade that you want to use of your choice on your lids, and you just blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in with this gold right here to highlight my brow bone. So I always highlight my brow bone because I feel like it gives that oomph, you know? And this brush, I don't even know, y'all. I don't even know what brush this is. So you're gonna apply that on your brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with this and that together to put in the inner corners of my eyes. I love to do that with smoky eyes, like even a black smoky eye. Pro tip, you wanna open your eyes and you want your eyes to look awoke and open. Put a light shade in the inner corners of your eyes. Cause y'all see how my eyes just, it has life. Okay, now that the eyes are done, let's get into the skin. So I already prepped my skin. Like I said, I like to use shea butter first and then the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. If you didn't watch my last video, go check it out. Favorite color corrector, I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown color corrector in the shade Rich Peach. They actually discontinued this one, which I don't know why, because it's literally the perfect color corrector for my skin. So now I'm gonna be using the Estée Lauder Skin Tint Serum. I love this skin tint. And the shade I use is 6W1 Sandalwood. And it has a 20 SPF in it. Use your sunscreen, girlies. So this is my fall makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what else you guys want to see next. So we got the fall down, we got basic makeup tutorial. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.